Difference between Cars.Iloc 3, 0, Cars.Iloc 3, 0, and Cars.Iloc 3, 0. I am studying pandas and working on cars, a CSV file. I ran the below commands. 1. Cars.Iloc 3, 0. In 18 India false. US 809 United States true. 2. Cars.Iloc 3, 0. In 18. 3. Cars.Iloc 3, 0. I am getting confused in the first and third command. I checked the type of all and the first two are the data frame and the third one is not. However, why am I getting a different output for first and third? Any help would be appreciated.
Select 3 and 0. Rows, all columns. Select 3 and 0. Columns, all rows. Select 3. Row and 0. Columns nested list create one item series. Same as above, only without nested lists get scalar. Another selecting. Select 3 and 0. Row 0. Column second, create one column data frame. And if omitted get series. If want select one row and multiple columns. And last for select multiple rows and multiple columns.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.